Welcome to this Kanban board tutorial. After your first login, you are located on the welcome page. For this video, we are using demo data which has already been added. It can also be removed again using the Add or Delete Demo Data button. This data can be used without any effect on your personal data records. By default, there are several tabs open, and we will now use the Projects tab and its associated Kanban board. Once opened, the project's power grid is displayed first. There is already a tutorial video on the topic of the power grids available, which you can watch on our YouTube channel. You can access all tutorials via the user menu in the top right corner and the option Video Guides. To switch to the Kanban board, you can use the corresponding symbol in the top right. When the Kanban view has been loaded, the icon also changes and you can use it to switch back to the power grid. In the Kanban board, all projects are displayed according to their current project stages. It is possible to adjust the project stages using the Configuration module. To do this, open a new tab and click on the Configuration tile. In the drop-down in the top left corner, look for the option Project Stages and open it. All available project stages are displayed in this view. You can edit the project stages by clicking on them. We will now add a new project stage using the plus symbol in the top right corner. In the opened editing window, it is possible to make several adjustments. Firstly, the name of the project stage. Secondly, the terminal checkbox. This determines whether the project stage marks the completion of the project. Thirdly, the order. This determines the position of the project stage in the Kanban board. And fourthly, the color code, or rather the used color. To change it, click on the color icon and adjust the color as you like. Now save the project stage using the Save icon in the top right. You can also delete the project stages via the editing window. We will do this for the project stage we just created. We now jump back to the Kanban board in the Project tab. In the header of the Kanban board, you can see the respective project stages and the number of projects. Depending on your screen resolution, you will see a different number of project stages and projects. You can use the scroll bar at the bottom to scroll through the Kanban board to view all project stages. If too many projects are displayed in a project stage, you can scroll down in the column with the mouse wheel to view all remaining projects. If you want to customize the display of the project stages, open the three-dot menu in the top right and click on the option Configure Columns. For this example, we removed the checkmarks for the project stages Qualified and Proposal and save those changes. The columns have now been removed from the view. You can also save these changes in a separate Kanban board. To do this, open the three-dot menu again and select the option Save As. Enter a name for your board in the window that opens and save it. After saving, you can use the three-dot menu again to switch between the standard Kanban board and your own custom boards. If you no longer need your custom Kanban boards, you can remove them again using the three-dot menu and via the option Delete Kanban board. We will now do this for the board we just created. Like in the Power Grid view, you can add new projects using the plus symbol in the top right. As you can see, is the workshop project currently located at the first position of the project stage prospect. Both the project stage and the position of the project can be easily adjusted via drag and drop. As example, will we now move the workshop project to the project stage Qualified. The project is now located at the first position and we are now moving it to the last one. The changes we just made can also be made by an external source, which is why there is a refresh option for Kanban boards, which you can access via the three-dot menu. If you want to edit the workshop project we just moved, click on the project and make your desired changes. Save your changes using the Save icon in the top right. Via the arrow in the top left, you can return to the Kanban board at any time. It is also possible to filter projects according to their owner. For that, click on the user icon in the top right. By default, all projects are filtered according to the users for which they are entitled for. If you want to filter the projects only by yourself, click on the first checkbox and then on the Apply button. The projects in the Kanban board are now filtered accordingly. You can also use the user filter to filter by the users who are working on a specific project. In this case, we filter the projects based on the users who are assigned to the workshop project. After clicking on Apply, the projects are filtered accordingly again. It is also possible to select the desired users yourself using the last checkbox and the drop-down menu. The projects are then filtered according to the users you selected. If you want to reset the filters, you can use the reset icon in the top right of the user filter. That was it so far regarding the Kanban boards. For further information, please visit our website or send an email to our support team. Thanks for watching.